Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video. This video is not going to be a makeup tutorial or anything like that. I am going to be doing a review on some hair extensions. So the company was kind enough and they sent me some extensions, and when I got them I was super excited just because I haven't worn hair extensions in like forever. The last time I wore some, it was, wow, it's been so long. It's been like almost 5 years ago. I did wear extensions when I was in high school. So yeah, it's been a while. So I already tried the extensions when my hair was straight, and the extensions were straight as well, and it was a mess. I did not like it. You guys know I have my hair like short and it's like just one cut. Like I don't have it in layers or anything like that, so it just looked a mess. You know, you could tell I'm wearing extensions, like, you know. But then I realized that, you know, you had to play with it. For example, I noticed that hair extensions look so freaking beautiful if you curl your hair. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. I'm going to curl my hair. I already had curled the hair extensions, and I'll show you guys how I did that. So I basically got the hair extensions blonde because, you know, obviously I'm blonde. You know, so, and it's human hair, guys. That's a big plus. Like, you could do so much with hair, with human hair. So these are the extensions. So here is one clip. As you can see, these extensions, I believe they're in 20 inches. I got them in 20 inches, so they're 20 inches long. Yes, or 18. I think it's 20. So you get 4 of the ones with 3 clips. So these ones are the 3 clip ones. So you get 4 of them, and this is already a lot of hair. So yeah, and then you just get one with 4 clips. So this one, so you get 4 pieces, the ones that have 2 clips. So yeah, this is okay. And then you get 2 little ones, just 1 clip. So they look like this. This is my hair. I haven't done anything to it. This is like legit my hair. I get curls like on the bottom because I'm a curly girl. Well, I was a curly girl back, you know, when I didn't know about strainers and how, you know, to like straighten my hair. Back then when I was young, I had so much curls on my hair. It wasn't like crazy curls, like curly. It was just like nice curls. And you know what they say, after you like the straight hair, you keep on doing like your hair straight, and then, you know, eventually it goes straight. But I still have some little curls on the bottom. Anyways, I am going to curl my hair first. First of all, I am going to be brushing my hair. And by the way, I did add some oil on my hair to protect from heat. But even though my freaking hair is already freaking like hella damaged, like so damaged that I could burn my hair. Does that make sense? I don't know. But oh my god, I'm tired, guys. I'm a mom. That's my excuse, right? I'm a mom. Anyways, this is how I curl my hair. So this is how short my hair is. Oh shit. So I'm just going to like tie a knot on top, have this hair left, and I am going to be using my strainer to curl my hair. This one is called, I got it at Ulta, so it's called Ultra Chill, I think, CHI, chill. Yeah, I don't know, sometimes I don't know how to read, guys. Okay. And what I like to do is just have the strainer like this, turn it around like this, and I just pull this like hair right here, and then I just go down. That makes sense. This is an old technique. But yeah, that's what I do. I don't even have a mirror next to me, so I'm just like looking at the camera, so I don't know what I'm doing. So like that. Oh shoot, this one came out weird. it'll blend in. So I'm just going to be doing that all over again. After you get the hang of it, it'll be so easy. And there you go. And by the way, my hair does grow really fast because like I said before, my hair is burned. My hair is a mess. And yeah. So, and don't worry if you don't get some perfect curls, like it'll blend in with the extensions. Oh, and by the way, my baby is asleep right now. She's sleeping. She's a little sick. Pobrecita mi bebé. But yeah guys, my hair is super short, which is good because I'm able to curl my hair faster, even though like it takes me a while either way because I have a lot of hair. But hi mama, you woke up? She's awake guys. Say hi. Oh, she's sick. She has a little cough and like running nose. Mommy. Hi. My baby. Oh, it's a vicious. ¿Qué mocos? Say hi. Huh? Huh? Say hi. And what I like to do is kind of like pull my fingers through my hair like so. I hate it because it looks so puffy. That's how you know I have a lot of hair. Anyways, now for the fun part, I am going to clip in the extensions now. So put my hair up. I am going to leave a little bit of my hair in the bottom, like just a little bit. So the way I curled the extensions, so I told my sister to actually get the extensions like this. So she had them like this, and I would just like curl them like I was curling my hair right now. So I did the same thing. So yeah, anyways, first I am going to begin with the ones that have 3 clips. Put it in the back. So I'm just gonna put a clip right here and another clip right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair. I'm just gonna like take out a little bit of hair. So and I'm going to get another piece of the 3 clips. It's okay if the extensions are messy, like it's good. So we do the same thing, clip, clip, and clip. So, see, I don't know if you guys could tell, but you could so tell my hair is like right there. So what I like to do is kind of like, I like to blend them in with the hair extensions. That way it doesn't really show so much, like my hair is super short. So yeah, that's what I like to do. Ooh, I'm liking this. Really, Maria? Clip. Clip. So I already have 3 pieces of the 3 clips. I'm going to add the one that has 4 clips on, and voila. They're on. This one's on. This one's on. Oh my god, my hair. Oh my god, I'm feeling myself now. I haven't had long hair in years. I think not years, maybe 1 year. Because I remember the last time I had long hair, I think I was pregnant. because I don't know why, but when you're pregnant your hair tends to grow more. And I'm going to add another one. This one is the 3 clips. So I am going to add the 2 little ones right here. So boom, see, it's like right there. Obviously I am going to add a little bit of hair right there, but you can really see the clip. That's what I love. Like this is the best part, like the clips. You can't really see them, so yeah, right here. Let's put this hair right there. The other one, these ones are the 2 clip ones. Okay, and we are done. My hair looks a mess right now, but it's gonna look cute right now. Watch, I'm gonna fix it. I don't know if you could see, but you could tell my hair is short, but no problem. We can just, you know, like this hair is already kind of down, so I am going to go ahead and curl it a little bit more like this. But anyways, what I like to do is kind of like do the same thing I did to my hair, kind of like pull my fingers through my hair like that to give it more volume, if you know what I'm saying. See, oh guys, look at all this hair. Oh my gosh, I mean, I don't like this little thing right there. Try to hide it. So you could always kind of like hide your natural hair. Guys, this is the end result. Like, what the heck, look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking like obsessed with my hair now. First of all, these extensions are human hair and you could do anything with it, so I love that. And not only that, but it was really easy to work with. Okay, and another thing I liked is the clips. I like how the clips don't show. Like, I have one right here clipped and it doesn't show. I love that. The hair matched so well with my blonde hair, so that's a plus. And by the way, they do have many other colors. I'll link the website down below for you guys to go check it out and see what they have, and if anything works for you. They do have different length, so you could go ahead and get like a shorter version than this one, whichever you prefer. I'm pretty sure you guys will find something. And yeah, guys, I don't know what to say. What do you guys think? Do you guys like me with long hair or short hair? Anyways, let me know what you guys think down below about the hair extensions. Hopefully you guys find this video useful. You know, I did curl my hair, so I showed you guys how I curl my hair. I clipped on the extensions. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I really hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.